Hey guys, Manan here, and today I'm going to give you a fix to the not responding error on Android apps and change it from this to this. Okay guys, so let me just show you the not responding error I'm getting firstly. The error I am getting is with the PayTM app. However, you might be getting this with any other app. The two fixes which I'm going to show will work with absolutely any app. So as you can see, I click on continue over here and the app just does not respond. It just freezes and it shows PayTM isn't responding. Okay guys, so the first fix I'm going to show you is pretty simple. All you need to do is go to settings. Okay guys, so once you're within settings, you need to go to the apps category. Within apps, you basically need to locate the app you're facing the problem with. As you can see, I was facing the problem with the PayTM app, so I'm just going to locate that. So within that app, you go to storage, and under the cache category, you press on clear cache. Now you should try and open the app. If the app is working, that's great. However, as you can see in my case, I'm getting no response whatsoever out of the app. The app is just not responding. As you can see, it just got self-closed. So I'm just going to show you how you can fix this. This is the fix number 2, and I think this should work before any such issue. So you just go to the Play Store and download an app called Parallel Space. You install the app, accept the conditions, and let it install. Okay, so once the app is installed, you fire it up. Just go through the basic process, the basic setup. Once it's finished loading, you press on start. When you press on start, it will open a category called clone apps. So you just deselect all the other apps except the app which you are facing the issue with. For example, in my case it's PayTM, so I just check that and press on add to parallel space. So as you can see, it has added another app with it. I actually don't need this app, so I'm just going to press on it and throw it in the bin. It's just going to show this warning, it's of no use, just press on delete. So now you can just open up the app. It seems to be working. I'm just going to let it load. As you can see, I'm getting the list. I click on continue, it's working. Everything seems to be working fine. So the app is working perfectly right now. Another thing which I recommend you to do is create a shortcut for the app. To do that, you just open up Parallel Space. You select the app, you long press on it, and you go to create a shortcut. The shortcut will be created on the home screen, and you can just fire up the app from here. Okay guys, so another thing you should keep in mind is that you're not supposed to delete the original app, because what Parallel Space is doing is that it's just creating a clone of the original app. If this tutorial has helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are very close to 1000 subscribers, and it would mean a lot to me if we reach that goal. Thanks for watching. Peace.